Okay, I guess we made it to the part 2 of the series. So, yeah, welcome. In this part, we are going to make mustache and the soul patch. So, let's actually get started. The workflow is going to be the same. If you don't know what the workflow is going to be, I'm just going to add here one by one and I'm going to comb them, and those single hairs are going to act as our parent hair, so that when I'll add multiple hairs, all of those multiple hairs just follow those single hairs. So yeah, that's basically what the workflow is going to be. And in this one, I've just added the hair node in the beginning so that I don't really have to add it later. So there is one improvement that we did in this video. Yes. And yeah, you can see that I am adding hairs one by one and combing them. And now you are gonna see a little bit of skip in the video because I lost the recording. Yep, there it is. But as you can see, there isn't really anything amazing that I've did. I've just added one single hairs at a time, and I don't think there is anything that I'm keeping from you. You can clearly see what I've done in the recording that I've lost. So yeah, now that I've actually added the parent hairs, I'm just adding the multiple hairs at the time using the density brush. So you might have noticed that I haven't actually used the add brush, but instead I've just used the density brush directly, and I think that is going to be the main workflow with this particle system. Just use the density brush. And I have no idea what to commentate right now. I'm gonna be honest here with you because that I everything that I wanna say, I have already said it. There isn't really anything in this video for me to explain, but yeah, I'll explain it. As you can see that there are some hairs that are coming far from the lips, so I'm just trimming them down. I'm going to add noise modifier now to see how they're going to look with the modifier enabled, and just playing with the settings of the modifiers now. So now that we are done with the mustache, I am just going to do the soul patch, and seriously, the process is still the same. I have no idea. Seriously, at this point, I don't know what to say. The process is pretty same, and this is actually the easiest part. So I'm just gonna let you watch it. So yep, in the I am checking it in the higher res, and as you can see, they are kinda overlapping on the lips. So I'm just going to trim down the part, and then I'll go to the lowest subdivision and just going to add those hairs again. Now I'm just decreasing the density from the side so that they kind of look more blended into the skin. And now adding the noise modifier. Also increasing the density at the center a bit, and then decreasing from the side. Okay, so now that we are done with the soul patch and the mustache, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.